Could the US be on the brink of a constitutional crisis? Early signs indicate a showdown is underway between the executive and the judiciary after US President Donald Trump clashed with Supreme Court Chief Justice John Roberts over the president's call to impeach a judge who ruled against his administration over deportations. After Trump threatened to impeach District Judge James Boasberg over his order to halt deportations of gang members to El Salvador, the top Supreme Court justice rebuked Trump's calls, issuing a rare statement, saying impeachment is not an appropriate response to disagreement concerning a judicial decision.
In an extraordinary situation in Washington, the President of the United States and the Chief Justice of the Supreme Court appear to be in open conflict right now. This is an extremely rare situation. Almost never does a Chief Justice issue a statement like this, let alone after or in response to a statement from the President himself. So what you're seeing here is inching closer to open conflict between the executive branch and the judicial branch, and laying the groundwork for the possibility of a constitutional crisis.
Trump's clash with Boasberg first began after the Trump administration allegedly ignored his Saturday court order to turn around two planes carrying Venezuelan gang members because the flights were over international waters and therefore the ruling didn't apply. A rare and controversial move that has landed the administration in trouble. Over the past week, Boasberg has remained undeterred in demanding answers, giving the government till next week to respond. However, the Justice Department has been resisting his questions, saying the court should drop its grave encroachments into the authority of the executive branch. The White House too accused Boasberg of trying to usurp powers of the presidency.
It's essential the Supreme Court crack down and stop this assault on our democracy from these radical, rogue judges that are usurping the powers of the presidency and laying waste to our entire constitutional system.
Apart from Trump, many House Republicans too are targeting federal judges with impeachment for resisting Trump's orders. House Republicans have threatened to impeach almost a dozen federal judges who have ruled against Trump, a stark break from convention, where judges have so far only been impeached for personal misconduct, graft, or serious criminal offenses. The big question that now remains, how far is Trump willing to go to execute his agenda? And will the American democracy survive this? Dishha Bagchi for NDTV World.